Now we will proceed to the calculation of quartiles. How do we calculate it? Again we will be taking the calculation in three type of series. These are individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Let us take the first one, individual series. Now in the case of individual series, how do we calculate Q1? Q1 is the first quartile, right? Organize the ungrouped data in ascending order. Because it is a case of individual series, the data is ungrouped. That means no frequency is given. So in the case of ungrouped data, first organize the data in ascending order. Ascending means rising order. Then find out n plus 1 upon 4th item. Third step is find the value corresponding to n plus 1 upon 4th item, that is Q1. Now what is n plus 1 upon 4th item? That will be clear to you here. So first thing you must have understood that first the data has to be arranged in the ascending order. Then we have to find out n plus 1 upon 4th item and the value corresponding to n plus 1 upon 4th item. In the third quartile, find the 3n plus 1 upon 4th item. Find the value corresponding to 3n plus 1 upon 4th item. In Q1 it was n plus 1 upon 4th item. In Q3 it is 3n plus 1 upon 4th item. Now let us take the example. This is the data given to you. X means the data given to you. This is 15, 22, 27, 30 and so on. Here you see that these are already arranged in the ascending order. If they are not in the ascending order, you have to reset it. But here the data given is already in the ascending order, right? Now how to find out Q1? As I told you earlier, it is size of n plus 1 upon 4th item. Now n means, as you have done earlier also, n means total number of items. So here n is n plus 1 upon 4th, n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You just have to count down, and if the data is total series 11, 11 plus 1 upon 4th item, that is 12 upon 4, that is third item. Now third item is Q1 here. Now find out third item in the series of ascending order. This is 1, 2 and 3, 27. So Q1 is 27. Clear? Very simple. Arrange the data in ascending order. Find out Q1 by the formula n plus 1 upon 4th item. N is total number of items. This is 11. 11 plus 1 upon 4th, that is third item. 3 is not median, 3 is not quartile, but this is third item. So third item you have to find out here, and here it is 27. So Q1 is 27, right? Now here Q3. Q3 is size of 3n plus 1 upon 4th item. This is the formula for Q3. So 3 into n plus 1 is 12 upon 4th item, that is 9th item, right? Now this is 9th item, and 9th item here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 9th item and this is the Q3. So find out 3n plus 1 upon 4th item, that is 9th item here, and 9th item becomes Q3. So this is the simple calculation in case of individual series. So any type of data in the ungrouped form is given to you in case of individual series, then arrange the data in the ascending order first and find out Q1 and Q3 by applying this formula. Clear? Now we will take another example here. This is the data given to you, right? This is also in the ascending order. Imagine it was given in haphazard order, no ascending order, and we have arranged the data in the ascending order. Now Q1, size of n plus 1 upon 4th item, same formula, is equal to size of n. How much are n? You have to find out. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10, 10 plus 1 upon 4th item, so it becomes 2.75th item. 2.75 is not the Q1, it is 2.75th item. You have to find out 2.75th item in the series. Here it is second item plus 3 upon 4 because it is 0.75, so it is 3 upon 4. Second item plus 3 upon 4. Now this will be size of third item minus second item. 3 upon 4 you will find out third item minus second item, right? So 170 minus 150. Here second item is 150. So in place of this write down second item 150 plus 3 upon 4. Now 3 upon 4 you will find out size of third item minus second item. Third item is 170, second item is 150. So 170 minus 150, this is how much? 20, right? Then 3 upon 4 into 20, that becomes 5 because 3 upon 4 into 20, this is 60 upon 4, sorry 60 upon 4, so this becomes 15 and this becomes 165, right? Clear? So this is 150 plus 3 upon 4, 150 plus 15, that is 165. This is Q1. So Q1 is in between this, right? It is more than 150 and less than 170 because it is 165. So Q1 is in this series. Q3, size of 3 n plus 1 upon 4th item. Size of 3 n plus 1 is again 11 upon 4 item. This is 8.25 item. Now 8.25th item, this is 8th item plus 1 upon 4. In this case also it is 9th item minus 8th item. In the case of 3/4 you have taken third item minus second item. In the case of 1/4 size of 9 item and minus 8th item. Here you will say that it is 3/4, then also we are applying this way. 1/4 it is also we are taking this way. Just because we are not sure which is the mid value. So we will just deduct the previous item from the next item, right? So here it was size of third minus 2. Now it is 9th item minus 8th item. Which is 9th item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 200. And 8th item is 192. 200 minus 192 is equal to 192 plus 2, that is equal to 194. Clear? So in this case this was Q1 and here this is Q3. Q3 is 194, that is it is somewhere here, right? So this way you will calculate Q1 and Q3 in the case of individual series. When the data is given simple third item and 9th item you are getting, there is no problem. If you are getting in points 2.75 or 8.25, then you have to deduct third item minus second item, ninth item minus eighth item, deduct it, find the value, do the calculation and get the answer. So, this is individual series.